Good morning. We are starting off this morning with some quiet weather in Fargo. Not much to talk about at the moment, but our next system is impacting us. We're talking snow. We're talking some strong winds too, affecting us here in the valley, and we'll still soon see some of that as we progress through the morning hours. First off, the snow. You can see it in the northern valley, and that is streaming down into places like Lakes Country this morning. Detroit Lakes, the Mahnomen area dealing with that snow. It stretches up toward northeastern North Dakota, and we'll zoom in a little bit more. Right now, Fargo's missing out on this. Grand Forks getting some scattered snow showers moving through town right now, back down to Crookston, Red Lake Falls area, back up to Grafton as well. So again, a band of some scattered light to moderate snowfall affecting us there. And check out this wind speed map. It's a mess. It's looking very colorful here this morning with those strong winds that are affecting us. And we've got a couple of gusts here, Langdon and Devil's Lake up to 47 miles per hour. So that's intense. We're looking at 37 miles per hour in Cooperstown and Grand Forks 39. Some of us seeing that wind still out of the west, but it is starting to turn northwesterly, and that's going to really usher in that colder air for us here in the valley. Here's a look at our temperatures. We're into the teens and 20s at 17 degrees in Grand Forks, 21 in Fargo. It's 25 in Fergus Falls and 26 in Gwinner, only 11 in Langdon with that colder air moving in. Our visibility, we're looking at some numbers that are a lot lower up north. That's where the snow is coming down, also where the wind is strongest. So places like Devil's Lake, we've got that strong wind, but not a lot of snow happening, so that your visibility is down just simply due to blowing snow. So you're going to be dealing with a combination of snow that's falling and snow that's on the ground getting blown around with these stronger winds. Visibility will be reduced at times, but especially blowing across those roadways, causing some slick spots. Wind advisory in effect today. That is until 6 o'clock tonight for much of North Dakota and South Dakota and a good portion of western and southern Minnesota too. All of us will be experiencing the winds just a little stronger in the prairie areas here in the Red River Valley. So again, we're looking at some temperatures on the downturn through the day today. As we head into the noon hour, most of the snow done, though we could still be seeing some of those scattered snow showers up in the northeast. Temperatures starting to dip into the single digits then as well. And that wind just continues to be a strong one here through the rest of the morning and into the rest of the day today. A look at your afternoon planner. Those temperatures just continue to slide. By the time we get to 7 o'clock, a lot of places reporting some single digit temperatures at that point in time. And we'll just continue to watch those temperatures drop from there. This wind, this cool down continues overnight tonight. And by the time we're waking up tomorrow morning, we're looking at temperatures that are going to be into that sub-zero range up north, Southern Valley more into the single digits until we get a couple more hours of cooling going, and a few of us drop to sub-zero by 8 o'clock around daybreak. So heading into the rest of the day, we'll start off with sunshine. Most of the day will be sunny with that wind eventually easing up, but it's going to be cold. We're looking at single digit highs here in the valley around the 3 o'clock hour, and then the clouds take over for Wednesday night. You can see those moving in the evening hours, and late we'll see a chance for a few isolated snow showers as we head into Thursday. The clouds will help us out a little bit, keep us from cooling down as much, and we've got some warmer air in general moving in with this system as well. So a quick cool down. Here's a great photo. This is taken on Saturday, and this is in the Park Rapids at Bear Park Resort. Thanks, Tracy, for sharing that. And a look at your 7-day planner. Here's a look at that cold weather we'll be experiencing the next couple of days. Thursday, though, we're warming things up pretty quickly, back into the 20s, and we head into that 30-degree range by the time we hit Sunday. So a quick recovery here after this cool down. But today's going to be tough. It's going to be a raw day, and you want to make sure you're careful on the roads. It's one of those days that is deceivingly hazardous, where you don't have a big snowstorm happening, but with that wind, anything's possible on those roadways. You can see a lot of slick spots and reduced visibility as well.
Good reminder. Thank you, Lisa.
Coming up, we'll have some tips and tricks on how to de-ice this winter.